Hey everyone, so in this video I'll be updating you guys with my skin after my TCA cross, micro needling, and chemical peel together. So actually my skin started to peel yesterday, which is my day 2, and then now is my day 3, of course. After day 2, it's day 3. So this is how my skin looks. So I don't know if you can guys see it if my skin is peeling, but as I mentioned, my skin already started to peel yesterday. So in this video as well, I will just do my skincare routine, morning skincare routine, and then I'll just update you guys again. Maybe I'll be sharing my night routine, but actually my skincare routine is just the same for a week, which is day and night, and then the only difference is during day I'm applying sunscreen, and then during night I'm not wearing sunscreen. So let's get started. So so I already washed my face with this product, which is the Banish All Clear Mint Cleanser. So this is with aloe vera, chamomile, and papaya extract. So this is really nice for acne prone skin, sensitive skin, because it's really gentle, and then it has papaya extract, so it also can help with hyperpigmentation, dark spot, dark marks, and pimple marks. So it's also perfect for me since I have my hyperpigmentation from my first chemical peel using 50% solution, which is no, not good. Sure. Alright, so after washing my face, I will apply the Banish serum. So this is a dark spot corrector with vitamin C and E. Alright, so there. And then next, I'll be using or applying the Banish Vitamin C Cream. So this is brightening daily moisturizer with alpha arbutin, licorice, and vitamin C. Okay, and then lastly, I'll be using or applying sunscreen. So I'm using Sun Cream from Foodaholic. So it has SPF 50 plus PA plus plus plus. Alright, so that's it everyone. And by the way, if you want to try the Banish products, you may visit their website www.banish.com, and then you may use my discount code MARS to get a discount, of course. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and share this video, follow me, and subscribe to my channel. Bye!